How epic was that?
wanted to do a slide, but the queue was on for mats. It was like it's contained as well, so you don't get to see out, so it's just darkness. So maybe if I come back. Hopefully this video is really cool. get some nice views now. It is a treetop view, but I'm not sure if it's open anything new or including parking for the day. But there's a place to eat, and you can go off down some nature trails. So we'll have a look at that in a few. I don't know where the wireless mic is at the moment. Just bought some stuff in the shop. So, I don't know, on the fence. I didn't do the slide though, so if I'd done the slide, maybe. But I got a bottle of Fanta, bar chocolate, and a full fill bar for €10. I don't know if that's expensive or not. I don't know, it's been a while since I bought that combination. Yeah, fun filled day. Like loads of people here. Loads of people. You know how I am with people, so couldn't do much talking. Hopefully got good footage. I thought like getting here early, I would have been able to, like, you know, have the place almost to myself. Not being greedy, like I knew there would have been a few people here, but anyway, I'm gonna chill down here. So yeah, you can book online, which I thought was easy enough. So you get like a barcode, and then you just scan that when you're driving into the car park. So that's handy. And then you just show it in the booking office. They scan it and you walk through. And then you follow the walking trail over the mountains, and it like literally brings you straight to the bottom of the thing. You can't get lost. One said that to me and I was like, haha, you don't know me. Now this house here I didn't buy a ticket for because I'm going easy on the money, as you know, with the trip coming up. I'm probably on the trip by this point actually. So I didn't want to do this house. I didn't know much about it. But yeah, right, well, it's in car park that way, but I know it's this way. Well, there's loads of trails and loads of ways to get lost. Actually, we'll probably go around. Yeah, I started here, didn't I? Or did I? So this is the starting house. It's kind of over the front. Like, the one thing I'd say that's wrong with the place, the signs are a bit over the shop. You know, it was a bit hard to find the main place where you had to go. You know, and I even heard a few other people, so it's not just me being the idiot. Like, but I don't know. Like, if you came here with, like, you know, a girlfriend or something, well, you can see it there in the background. Like, it is fine, like, the views are beautiful. Maybe it's because it's just open and it's new. Everyone's kind of coming to it, so maybe in a while, at the end of summer, it might die down a bit with the crowds coming here. Very family friendly. The slide I would like to do, and so it looked like, just for yourself, if you are doing it, it looks like you have to bring €2 coin. When I was reading online, it said you had to tap to get the mat. And when I was looking at the queue there, I was like, it's a bit of a queue there for the mats. But I didn't see like a tap pay, or I didn't see someone there to hand them out. So I was a little perplexed with that, and I didn't have any cash, you know, no coins. So, kind of good thing it didn't, because I think you needed €2 up the top. Pay for it, so bring cash if you're planning on doing the slide. Yeah. And another thing when I was thinking about it is, like, it's covered. Plenty of toilets. Toilets are nice. There's a cafe there. Don't know what the food is like. I just grabbed a snack. The queue seems to be out the door. It's €5 for parking. It's €14 for the treetop walk and the tower thing combined, and then €5 for the car park. And you can buy it all online, and then you just scan when you come into the car parking. Now, I found this, funny enough, before I done this, I found an article online. It cost $19 million for this place to be built, and they expect 250,000 visitors the first year. And judging by the queue of cars trying to get in, I'm not surprised. So I'm gonna chill out, have a bite to eat and a drink, and gonna go off, do a driving tour, a walking tour, and then another driving tour, and then hopefully my favourite place is back open, and I'll introduce you to a quick video of where to go if you're south side or close enough to Greystones for an amazing ham and cheese sandwich. I know that sounds like ham and cheese sandwich. Right, see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, there's a sign here for exit saying left, and then there's a sign there which I think loops you around. I don't know, I didn't get this area on because there's loads of people here. So we're here, and that's the road we kind of walk down. But like when you cut out here, there's kind of a gap before there's another one. Like, you know, you can see, well, there's a trail there and it brings you up, and yeah, so a bit confusing. But look, we're doing it. It's over and done with. Like, subscribe, comment. This place is jammers.